What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a 45-piece toolkit that you can use for your 3D printing. So if you're just getting started with 3D printing, or if you've been printing for a while, this is going to be a must-needed toolkit. So let's get into the bag so we can see what we have. So one of the things that's in the bag is going to be this X-Acto knife kit. So you're going to get an X-Acto knife with multiple blades, and these come in different sizes, so that way it helps you cut away that excess plastic from your prints. Now this barrel that holds the blade is going to be made out of metal, so that is going to be a good thing, because you can get some kits or some X-Acto knives that have plastic barrels, which is really not that great or not that safe as well. And you can see the tip, it has a brass tip as well, so this is going to be a nice high quality blade to use for your prints. Now at the end of the barrel, it spins, on this knob spins, so this gives you more options as far as your technique goes, and it's not really long, so it fits really comfortable in my hand. So this way I have good leverage on whatever I'm cleaning out. So if I have a 3D print that has a lot of tree supports like this, I could really get in here and cut away the detail as needed. They also supply you with a tube cutter, so if you have some small projects and you need to cut down some tubes, this will allow you to do so. So this is a really neat little tool here. This tool right here is going to help you clean out edges of round objects. So if you have some prints that you need to clean up and you need to get around the edges of the print and get it nice and clean, you'll be able to do so with this tool here. It comes with a spatula that helps you get the prints off your print bed. So if you have a print that's really hard, you can stick this in between the print and the bed and pry this up. You get 3 wire brushes. This is going to be great to use when you're finished printing and you want to keep your printer nice and clean, so you can get that filament off your nozzle or off the print bed. You get some long nose, needle nose pliers and wire cutters, or you can use this to cut your filament. You know how you need that nice sharp edge on your filament, so whenever you're feeding this through the tube and going to the nozzle, this is going to make sure that it catches. You also get a flat chisel, so this way you can chisel away some debris and prepare your prints for a nice smooth finish. When using your X-Acto knife, you don't have to worry about scratching the surface, because they give you this cutting mat. This is going to be a self-healing cutting mat, so you can put your prints on this and cut away. To really get those small tree supports off, they give you these small tweezers, needle tweezers, so this way you can really get into it, so you can reveal the detail from your print. Now, to make sure that your prints come out the way you like it, they give you this digital caliper. This is going to be a must if you want to have nice exact prints. It's really easy to use. The digital display is really nice and it's very accurate. It also comes with a glue stick, so this way you can have something to get your prints put together. Now, to make sure that you keep up with all your tools, they give you this nice bag, so that way if you need to take this with you on the go, or to make sure that you always keep up with your tools, you can store them away in this nice bag. Well, guys, this is going to be the 45-piece toolkit for your 3D printing needs. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.